I'm gonna try to patch this up real quick, so hopefully it stops leaking. I'm gonna sand that down, that little lip, and go from there. Let's see what we can do. Sanding it down. Oh man, I need to get that portion right there now. It's not wanting to come off. Maybe I can scrape it off with a knife. Looks like I'm getting some of it on. Just kind of dry rot it. Let's see. Pretty smooth. Let's see if in that side of that hole had a sock with a hole in it. So I'm gonna repurpose this puppy to clean out this guy. So it's a little hard to hold the camera, but I think that'll be good enough for some glue. I was looking at this some more, and I think it's just I don't have enough reach, so I'm gonna have to cut this back, put a, I don't know if I'll have enough room here. I think I'm gonna have to cut the other side and put the spacer on this side so I have more room. I didn't plan on all the deadhead pressure from the water all the way up the line, so now I'll have to wait for that to drain, but shouldn't take long. Alright, was able to get that glued up. Hopefully she heals. I'll put that over there eventually after I test it. Let's go fix this other hole real quick.